In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to browse and choose a template in Canva. To get started, open Canva and make sure you're on the home screen. This is the main dashboard where Canva organizes its design tools, recommendations, and template options. If you're new to the platform, this area can feel a little busy at first, but don't worry. Everything is grouped in a way that makes it easy to explore once you know where to look. From the home screen, begin scrolling down. As you move through the page, you'll see different template categories designed for different types of projects. This is helpful because Canva doesn't place every design in one long list. Instead, it separates them into sections so you can quickly find the style of content you want to create. Take your time here and look through the available categories instead of rushing, especially if you're not yet sure what kind of design you need. When you find a category that matches your project, click on it. Some common examples include social media, presentations, videos, and marketing. Choosing the right category matters because it helps filter the templates to the format and purpose you need. For example, a social media design is usually sized differently from a presentation or a video, so picking the right section from the start can save you time later. After opening a category, browse through the available templates. You'll usually notice a variety of styles, colors, layouts, and themes. Some templates are bold and modern, while others are more simple and professional. As you look through them, think about the goal of your project and the audience it's for. That can make it much easier to choose a design that already feels close to what you want, which means less editing later. Once you find a template you like, click on it to start customizing. This is where the creative part begins. Canva templates are designed to give you a strong starting point so you can adjust the text, images, colors, and layout to better match your own content or brand. Starting with a template can be much faster than building something from scratch, especially if you want a polished result without spending too much time on design decisions. And that's it. You've gone from the Canva home screen to choosing a template that's ready to customize. If you follow this process each time, it becomes much easier to find the right design quickly and start creating with confidence.